In this video, we're going to show how you create a W block, which is basically just a drawing that can be inserted into another drawing. Any drawing can be inserted into another drawing. So we're going to open up a previous project where we have doors and windows. We're going to create a block. We're going to decide where we're going to select it. Whenever you see those three little dots, that means you can browse to a location. I'm going to select my door. I'm going to pick the insertion point. So that's where I'm going to use to insert. I'm going to say OK. I already have this drawing in my file, so I'm going to overwrite it. I'm going to do the same thing here with the window. Pick the three little dots. It lets me browse out into my, I'm going to put it on the cloud. I'm going to select the items, pick my insertion point, and save. So now I have these two blocks created. So I'm going to go into find those blocks. It was door. And I'm going to clean them up a little. I don't necessarily want all those things in there. I don't want anything on the wall layer. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to come back into the drawing. The layer's still there. So I need to purge it out of the drawing. So I type in purge. When I do this, anything that is not being used will be deleted. So now I only have the door layer left. And I'm going to go back in and save this file so I can insert it later. Now I'm going to open up your window command, or window block. I'm going to check some of the layers that are on here, and they correspond with what I've been requested to do in my projects, except for the jams. In that previous assignment, we didn't make the jams its own layer. So I'm going to look at my project and find the name I want to use. It's not on the PDF. I'm going to look in the template. There it is, AWOL Jam New. So this is, and it's magenta. So I'm going to go back into my block. I'm going to create a new layer. And I'm going to make it magenta. Once I do that, I'm going to grab those jams. I'm going to find the property command and I'm going to place them on the correct layer, AWOL Jam New. Try to click. Let's try that again. There we go. And then I'll close this out. Now I can save this block, or DWG, which I'm going to use as a block. I can close out my other files. I'm going to open up my project. And I'm going to insert the window and I'm going to insert the door. Make sure you have clicked insertion point. If you don't have clicked insertion point, it will default to the 0, 0 point on your drawing where the Y and X axis meet. So now you have a window block and a door block within your drawing. Now we're going to download the shower and the living room blocks that were posted on the announcement page. And save them under our block folder. So now we're creating this nice little list of all these blocks that can be used in the future, not just in this project. Save again on the cloud under your block folder. I'm going to come back into my drawing and insert those files. Now once these drawings are inserted into my drawing, I can reuse them wherever I need to. There we go. I notice the shower command is still on 0. The shower symbol. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on plumbing fixture new. P-fix new. Here I'm putting a symbol that we created, the drawing symbol. I want to put that on paper space. I'm going to export that block out. This has all the blocks that are in that drawing. I'm going to export it out. I already have it on paper space, but that is where I would insert it.